how we doing all. So yeah, it's another vlog now. It's the same day as before, but we, like I said on the last one, thought we'd end it there where we got the car. We're going to look at the car, and now we're going to sort of see just a few snippets really of taking it around, you know, having a look underneath it, having a look around it, and yeah, that sort of works, kind of get it rolling. And then a little bit at the end that I filmed on the day, just to kind of summarise it. So enjoy. Yeah, so we've had success with one of the major jobs today. So the door can opens. How did it open, Scott?
Magic. We jacked it up.
Yeah. Turns out if your door doesn't open, jack it up. Oh god. Still struggling to get this wheel off. It does rotate. I kind of want to see underneath it, so push me luck. Hang on, I want to do an MOT. Found an MOT. It's a bit out of date. Hang on, fucking hell. I'm too fat for this now. Oh, shit. Oh.
Have to go further back to get you all in.
Fuck you. Oh. See? Right, Slim Jim. That's freeing up.
Go on then. Go on then. Go on. Go on. That's the new wheel. The other wheel's not turning. Get it moving. See if the other one does move.
Oh man, also there.
No, the other one's not moving.
It's not. Old Scotty boy got the wheel off. So, how are we looking in here? So MOT advisory was for brake pipes corroding. I'll just replace them anyway. So it looks alright, doesn't it? Brakes are fucked, but it's moving, which is ish moving. There we go. Just sort that out, get that out of there. Now, let's have a look underneath. Oh god. So it's pretty clean. Yeah, front wishbone bushes were on advisory as well actually, so we'll probably replace them. That's quite we'll have to see about that as well. And just take it all down. Better than fun. Gonna vlog the difficulties as well. So the current situation. We have one wheel that moves, but the other wheel doesn't. So that does. Now the other one did it, but that threw it off. This one won't. Help, basically. I'm wondering if it's the handbrake, because we tried pulling the handbrake up and it's still exactly the same amount of movement. But we've managed to free the other side off, but we cannot get this one free. So old Scotty boy suggested handbrake up.
That's solid, it doesn't even move.
Ah.
No, it's not handbrake.
So, handbrake up. The one that we freed off didn't move. But handbrake up on that one, it does the same. So the handbrake is probably that thing that was snapped, that we thought was the handbrake, that little bit of wire. Which is fair enough, replace that, but so then it must be just the actual brakes are seized.
The cable's still intact, it's just the outer sheathing.
Yeah, should be easy enough. We're gonna have to get inventive.
Bigger hammer.
bigger hammer. Bigger hammer. You boys right? So this is something that's got me confused while we're working on the old girl. Is this light fitting? Well, it's a light fitting. It's a power cable, and it's coming into that, which Scott didn't even realise had electricity. But I've never seen that in my life. Like, I mean, I don't even want to turn it.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
Are you sure?
Do it.
It's pretty stiff that way. Oh, it'll turn that way. I'm actually a little bit scared.
I don't think there's any power connected to it.
Oh.
Because there's no breaker in the house.
No. Has anybody ever seen a fucking plug like that though?
It might be tapped off the BT box.
Oh yeah. Zoom in on it. Yeah, there we go. Has anybody ever seen anything like that? And it turn. Craziness. Anyway, look at it. I'll do a walk round in a sec. So I'm back. I've just pulled back at home. It's, I don't know, like 9:15 or something now. So really good day. Bit good, didn't get the 36 rolling, but I don't know what it is with that back wheel. Does feel like the oval one, so it will go. When we were rocking it, because we started pushing it, it was feeling like it was trying to pull up, like it was just jamming, but couldn't just get it past that thing. So I don't know whether I should take it all apart. I mean, I can't imagine it's the brakes because it does have movement. It has like 2 inches of movement. It's not diff, because that's open. Unless it sees on one side, but then you think it just sees, or the gears maybe. Clunk. Don't know. Or it's just something is just keys on it. So I don't know whether to just start stripping it down or what. We'll see. Happy with the way the bodywork looks, you know, the sills, jacking points, all that, no rust, which is perfect. Inside is minging, but I'm probably just going to strip it all out anyway, because it's going to be a track day car. Long term, who knows whether we'll get any more, you know, if I can put in motorsport, what have you, but probably just going to rip it all out and clean it all down, hoover it all out, because it's minging in there. And the outside, yeah, you know, that suspension all looks quite rusty, so maybe we'll take that apart, clean it all up, check what it's like, check the bushes. I'm thinking, you know, if they all look cracked and stuff, they need replacing. We'll probably polybush it all if we do. And yeah, not really. Brake lines, we're going to have to change the brake lines. Obviously, it's an MOT advisory, so there's an advisory on that I found. It's probably its last one, which was lines front and rear, wishbone bearing, bushing, sorry, and someone else. Yeah, then needs to dechaff it. Don't know if I'm just going to try and take off that. It looks like it's screwed through that vent, fake vent. So maybe I can take that off, see if I can sand it all back down or something, I don't know. Let's have a boot. And yes, get some new wheels on it. Coilovers, obviously. So yeah, we'll see what the crack is. Really happy, really good day. Good to meet up with Scott again. He's a quality guy. He just likes abandoned cars. And you might spy the 340. Big future things, but very far in the future. And his E36, which he can't be bothered repairing yet because he can't be bothered running it, but he will do at some point. But yeah, man, absolutely sick. Really buzzing with it. A lot of work, but not like so much work it's undoable with with relatively learning. You know, if there'd been a lot more, then it could have been too much. But I think we could do it. We just time, obviously, getting down there when you've got working, motorsport seasons here. You know, I've got the rallycross, and obviously taking care of my family. So when I can get down there, because it is 70 miles away, I can, you know, get there, do a bit of work on it, and yeah, so I'll come up with a bit of a plan, and we'll do that. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll get better at these. We'll do more, because I like doing them. I just need to learn it a bit better. Cameras, talking more, and what have you. Let us know what you think. And yeah, it's gonna be cool, man. So let's do this. Happy days. So see you out. Or see you on the next chat video with Andrew on Thursday. And maybe get some sim racing. I need to set my sim racing stuff up. I need to do that. And yeah, enjoy. So we'll catch up on whatever big motorsport's been going, and we'll get back on a vlog soon. Peace.